Hi guys, welcome back to Automobile Infos. So, you must have seen that viral reel on Instagram of a BE6 that has caught fire in the middle of the highway. Many people presumed that it was the high voltage battery that had caught fire, but that was not the case. Mahindra has posted finally. In the post, Mahindra clarified that the battery had not caught fire. Instead, even after the fire, the battery and the motor remained intact. The real reason of the fire was a deflated tire. The rear right wheel of the BE6 had been completely deflated, and the driver was driving the car for 10 minutes at 60 kilometers per hour with a deflated tire. That led to an increase in friction, and the tire became really hot, and that caught fire, which then spread to the rest of the car. The car issued multiple warnings of low tire pressure and high temperature in the rear right tire, but the owner either didn't notice or maybe he felt like he could make it to the next gas station with that deflated tire. This teaches us that we should not take minor warnings as not serious, because this is not a minor warning. In the BE6, the power is going to the rear wheels. So if your rear wheel is deflated and you're continuously accelerating and braking, it is bound to get hot. To ensure that none of this happens to us, we can try filling nitrogen in our wheels, as nitrogen stays naturally cooler than normal air. Secondly, ensure that the tire pressure in your vehicle is at the optimum PSI. So in my BE6, because this is the Batman edition, the recommended tire pressure is 36 PSI. If you have a normal BE6 with 19 inches, you can check the door label and it will be written as to what PSI the makers recommend. It is up to us to ensure our safety, and it is also up to us to not doubt Indian brands with anything that happens. Social media is a place for hate. If you post something negative, it skyrockets, but the positive things don't skyrocket that much. So, check your facts before trusting anything and drive safe. Pay attention to all the warnings and have a happy journey.